Have we all adjusted to the new Ford Puma yet? For readers of a certain age, the Puma nameplate meant a compact front-wheel drive sports car. Not so now. Repurposed on behalf of the SUV movement, the Big Cat may still be based on a Ford Fiesta platform, yet it's wider, taller and absolutely not a sports car. And now we've driven it. Cynical, small SUVs usually with hybrid power seem to be the way of the world now, but Ford says the Puma isn't just a box-ticking exercise, and it shares a few precious strands of DNA with its predecessor. When the Puma was first unveiled, the Blue Oval claimed it'd have steering sharper than the Fiestas, tons of clever safety kit, and some seriously neat storage solutions in its chunky compact crossover footprint. So does the new Puma keep its word? Keep reading after our full review of the new Ford Puma. What does it look like? Like a Ford Fiesta, baked in a hotter oven with considerably more yeast in the dough mix. The design has a hint of Mini Macon turned up to 11, embellished by an undulating shoulder line and exaggerated rear haunch. With a black rear spoiler, side strips and grille, the Puma looks great, particularly from the rear three-quarter angle. Incredibly, for a small SUV, I'm reminded of a Porsche 911 because of the curved front wings, bookending my field of vision obviously. What is it like to drive? It's the fizzy 999cc three-cylinder engine you notice first, pulling you with a surprising and broad spread of punch from one so small. But of course, it has help. Ford's venerable 1.0-liter EcoBoost engine has been modified with 48-volt mild hybrid technology, where a battery-fed starter/generator can act as a motor and ladle extra torque into the driveline.